Hi everyone, today's topic is integration. In integration by parts is very important topic. What is this integration by parts? See, you have learned how to find the integration for a single function. Now suppose a function is like this, u of x and as well as v of x. Now when this sort of functions are there, how to find the integration? It is like UV rule in derivatives. So we have a standard form for it to find that integration by parts. That is integration of uv dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of d by dx of u integration of v dx whole dx. Now, one more question arises in our mind. What is that? Which to be taken as u and which to be taken as v? How to decide which function is to be taken as u and which one as v? Any guess? Yeah, try for it. To decide u and v, we use a rule called INDENTITY rule in order to have the preference of which has to be taken as u and which has to be taken as v. Now what is this INDENTITY stands for? Let me explain. I stands for inverse function, L stands for logarithmic function, A stands for arithmetic function, T stands for trigonometric function, and E stands for exponential function. Now we'll have an example to have the clarity of what we have discussed. Example. I'm just taking a function like this, integration of x cos x dx. Now, first point of working is x is an arithmetic function, so I'm writing it as a. Cos x is a trigonometric function, so I am writing as t. As for INDENTITY, A is before t, so A is to be taken as u and t is to be taken as v, and integration of uv dx is to be written as u integration of v dx minus integration of d by dx of u integration of v dx whole dx. So I'm opening that problem with this condition. How? U is here x, so x integration of v is cos x dx minus integration of d by dx of x integration of cos x dx, which is whole dx again. Now what is integration of cos x? Is sin x plus c. right? So I am writing that x sine x minus integration of dy dx of x is 1 and integration of cos x is sin x dx. A partial form of integration has been done, so I am taking a constant as integral constant as c1. Further, x sin x minus integration of sin x. What is integration of sin x? Minus cos x. So, what will be the output? Minus cos x plus c2 plus c1. So, when I write it further in proper way, x sin x minus of minus is plus cos x plus c, where c is written as c1 plus c2. Hope you understood this, I think. Right. I'll go for one more example. I'm taking another function like this. Example. Integration of x log x dx. So first check is what is x and what is log x. X is an arithmetic function and log x is a logarithmic function. So as per ILATE, logarithmic function order is before arithmetic function. So logarithmic function will become u and arithmetic function will become v. So opening it with respect to that, again I will quote the integration by part formula. Integration of uv dx is u integration of v dx minus dy dx of u integration of v dx whole dx. So using this, now here u is log x, so log x integration of x dx minus integration of dy dx of u here is log x minus integration of x dx, which is whole dx again. Now open this. When I open this, log x integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of dy dx of log x is 1 by x into integration of x is x square by 2 and it is being in the dx is whole, so dx. So x square by 2 log x minus x and this cancels. So what is that you are going to get here? 1 by 2 can be written outside and integration of x dx. Partial integration has been done, so I have to write here c1, I have to write here c1. Now further, x square by 2 log x minus half times integration of x is x square by 2 plus c1 and c2. This is c1. So final step, x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c, where c is equal to c1 plus c2. Hope you understood this example, right? Now we have a easy means to identify the structure and directly can guess the answer. Now what is that? Is in integration by parts, if it is an exponential form and we have a direct structure like this, e power x and a function of x and its derivatives here, then its output we can write it as like this. What is f of x and f of f prime x? Let me give you a brief here. Say f of x is equal to sin x. What will be the differentiation of f of x is called f prime x is cos x. So in a function of e power x form, if both f of x and f prime x are simultaneously appearing with plus sign or minus sign, plus sign usually, then its output is e power x f of x. Let me explain by taking an example. Say integration of e power x tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now it's actually a direct question, 1 mark question, directly you can able to identify, but for our understanding sake I am just writing f of x is equal to tan inverse x. Then what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. So this entire problem reflects like f e power x f of x plus f prime x. So I can directly write the output. First let me code that e power x times f of x plus f prime x is equal to e power x f of x plus c. So what is f of x here? Tan x. So you can directly write e power x tan inverse x plus c. I think you understood this. Right, one more example I can quote here only. Say integration of e power x sin x plus cos x dx. What is the answer? Can you guess? The answer is e power x sin x. I think you have guessed it correctly, right? Thank you. Hope you understood this concept. Thank you very much.